Shout out to all my early morning grinders out there, all my early morning hustlers out there. The early bird get the worm, nigga. That's why we up. That's why most people right now are passed out sleep. And hey, I don't blame them. I ain't gonna lie. I wish I was passed out sleep. But I'm not. I'm out on the turf, wheeling and dealing, out here grinding. See the homie, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get up and you gotta go get it. Whatever you got going on, I'm sure you wanna eat breakfast, you wanna eat lunch, you wanna eat dinner. You don't wanna sleep in the alley, you don't wanna sleep in the gutter, you don't wanna be naked without clothing. So that means you need cashola, you need Skrilla, you need greenbacks. You need green pieces of paper with dead people on them. And that's why we do the things that we do. That's why we do what we do. That's why we come out when it's 5 degrees outside, when it's 99 degrees outside, when it's 1 in the morning, 12 at night, whatever. Wherever you at, wherever you going, whatever you doing, you trying to get yourself some greenbacks. Shout out to you for being a hustler and a grinder. Early mornings and late nights. That's where we at with it. Shout out to all the go-getters out there. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.